For years, Nike was unstoppable. The world's most valuable sportswear brand, a cultural icon, a marketing machine. But then, something changed. Nike's bold bet, going all in on direct-to-consumer, started falling apart. Sales slowed, growth flatlined, the brand lost its edge. And by 2024, Nike found itself facing the biggest strategic crisis in a decade. This is the story of how Nike's D2C dream turned into a wake-up call, and the massive route-to-market reset that could define its future. Our story begins in 2017. Nike announced one of its boldest strategies ever. A fancy name for something simple. Nike wanted to sell directly to you. Nike believed the future belonged to D2C, and for a while, it looked like they were right. Nike was doing what Apple did, owning the ecosystem, controlling the experience. And for a moment, Nike looked like a genius. This wasn't just working. It was working beautifully, but Nike didn't see the warning signs forming underneath. Not yet. By 2022, the world began reopening, but Nike's strategy didn't. The company doubled down on D2C even when the behaviors that fueled its rise were slowing. Nike believed it could manage demand through its own stores and apps, but something unexpected happened. When Nike walked out, competitors walked in. For the average shopper, especially outside big cities, Nike became harder to find. And when you're not visible, you're not top of mind. Nike's product pipeline started to feel stale. Meanwhile, smaller brands were exploding. Hoka, On Running, Lululemon footwear, each one nibbling at the edges of Nike's empire. What started as Nike's biggest growth engine started slowing down. Nike customers didn't want another app. They wanted better shoes. Nike's identity blurred. For the first time in decades, Nike wasn't setting the culture. It was reacting to it. By 2023, analysts began sounding the alarm. Nike's sales were slowing. Margins were shrinking. Digital revenue, once unstoppable, was going backward. The D2C empire that Nike built was becoming too heavy, too expensive, and too isolated. And then came the shocker. Nike announced rare negative revenue growth for 2024. This wasn't a blip. This was a strategic failure. The swoosh wasn't broken, but it had lost its direction. Nike did something very few giant companies have the courage to do. It admitted the strategy wasn't working, and then it changed course. Fast. Nike realized something simple. Customers don't shop in one channel. They shop everywhere. Nike didn't need more products, it needed better products. Nike realized that apps don't create brand magic. Innovation does. Nike doesn't win by shouting louder, it wins by inspiring people. Nike moved from control everything to serve everywhere. Nike brought back the people who understood what made Nike. Early signs show the reset is working, quietly but steadily. Nike hasn't won yet, but it has stopped the bleeding and reset the engine. Nike's story isn't just about shoes, it's about modern business strategy. In the 2020s, brands believed one thing: D2C would rule the world. But Nike discovered the truth. Consumers don't follow your strategy. Your strategy must follow consumers. Nike's reset reminds us of a simple rule: relevance isn't permanent. Even giants have to evolve. The swoosh stumbled, but it didn't fall. And as Nike returns to innovation, to partnerships, and to the athlete's heartbeat, it's beginning a new chapter, a comeback that might just redefine global retail strategy for the next decade. This was Business Comebacks. If you'd like more deep dive stories on strategy, retail, and consumer brands, hit subscribe and choose the next story in the playlist.